Zero Turn 8. It's a very nice scooter that can be, it's a four-wheel scooter that has the maneuverability of a three-wheel. So they got two motors at the back. So just watch the video of us unboxing. It's going to come in just like this. I've already cut the sides down. So basically, you can do it this way if you're doing this by yourself, or if you have two people, then you can just pull it right out the box. So it's going to come with a manual. Your manual will have the serial number, so make sure you keep that. You'll have your keys, and you'll have some of these things that connect the post and the arms. So there's your manual, and they'll give you some more directions. So the first thing we do is we start unboxing it. We take the styrofoam out, the basket, the battery pack. You can charge it through here, so you can go ahead and put that on a charge. Make sure you charge that up before you use it. Good 8-hour charge is nice. So you'll see that there's no shrouds on it yet, so we'll put the shrouds, which is whatever color you choose to go with. It comes in a few different colors. A couple more instructions I'll just show you that. So in this next styrofoam box, you'll have your arms. Both sides. You'll have your seat post. That's adjustable in height. Just removing, styrofoam. In here, you'll have your charger. It's a 3.5 amp charger. And I'm going to undo the knuckle and bring this up, and I'll show you that in a minute. And I'm going to take the rest of the styrofoam out. Then underneath that, you'll find your seat. It's a swivel seat, 17, nice seat. Your arms will connect to that. We'll show you that in just a minute. So we're rolling this one out. They do have styrofoam. It kind of holds it. So what I'm going to do is just do a quick disconnect. Release the front from the back and pull this right out, and we'll give you the specs on the weight of this when we do our overview. And then the back comes out just like this. So that's taking it out the box. I disconnected, just making sure there's nothing else in there. Two people, you can pick it up. This tiller's not going to move. Up here, there's going to be a little thing you press to release that, and we'll show that a little bit later. But you're just going to connect this back here from the front to the back. So, and that's how you disconnect it. Look, this is two motors on here. That what makes it turn. So it's kind of, the back end's like a power chair. Connect this back. And we're going to put the seat post on. The seat post, you can adjust the seat height from the ground up. You have a couple adjustments from 21.5 inches to like 23. So there's a bunch of different holes to choose from. So that's done. The next thing we'll do is that we'll take the battery pack and put it right here. That's done. Take your tape off here. It's going to tell you to charge it 100% before using it. We've actually already charged the batteries. Here's your charger. It comes with it. So this would plug into here. And then this, you have an option of plugging this up here or plugging it down here on the battery pack. So say you didn't want to take the whole scooter inside to charge, you could take just this battery pack inside and charge it. You just plug it right into there. There's a little rubber flap, there's a circuit breaker, a fuse. As you can see, there's no shrouds on it yet. I'm gonna put the shrouds on. This one's gonna be in black. So it comes red, silver, black, white, and blue, and there's a couple other colors. You can always change these colors later. So it's real simple. If you do it wrong, you'll know. See? I'm doing it wrong. And these can easily come off too. To change it to pink or red or green for St. Patty's Day. And this one goes on the front. The basket, it's a smaller basket. You can get a bigger basket, just let us know. Or you can get, and then up here is your light. So I'm just going to put this together, and then we'll take another shot, and I'll go over the unit with you. Put the seat on just like that. You don't need to move this swivel. You just want to drop it right on to there. You got the little chart puck. This is a swivel seat. This is a receiver for an oxygen tank holder, a basket, walker holder, whatever you need. And then now let's go ahead and put the your key up here. You'll have two keys. This will be your spare key. And then we'll attach the arm. So right here, you're going to want to loosen this out to get your arms in. And then you'll put your little pin if you want that back there for extra security, or if you want to take these arms out to travel so they don't stick up, you can just pull these right out and lay them flat for a little bit more packing. Right here. It won't go in. Check out the specs for everything. This thing can go up to 13 miles on a 200-pound person. It can hold up to 325 pounds, up to 11 miles. The turning radius is 37.25. The overall length of this unit is 45.46 inches, and the width is 21 inches. This is where you would charge it. This is circuit breaker. This will be a fuse if you need to replace it. There's some other convenient fuses right here. This is your tiller adjustment. You loosen that, can bring this forward and back. Right here you'll see a swivel seat lever to turn this seat around, and it will stop every so often. Back here, LED lights, backlights. This is your disengage, so you can roll it or put it back in drive. The transaxle at the back is very important. People look for ground clearance. It's at a 1.3. The deck's at a 3.5. So 1.3 ground clearance back here. This isn't going to be the best scooter for using it in the yard and out off-road. It's going to be for indoors or whatever. And this is your... Right here, if you look at this, you can pull these pins. These are adjustable or removable if you don't need them. Flip up arms, tighten that back. So this is your speed control, faster, slower. This will be your battery indicator light, your on, wraparound tiller, forward, backwards, and this would be vice versa. I mean, you can do one hand if you need to. Right here will be if you want to attach mirrors. You just pop these out and you can order some mirrors, and they can go right here. On here's your charging port for on the unit. And then over here is your on and off switch for your lights. Okay. Alright, I'm going to take it apart.